This is going to blow your mind. Those mysterious noises? Your appliances have a bone to pick with you. Late at night, you hear a strange rattle. Maybe it's a ghost? Nah, it's just your washing machine throwing a tantrum. Think it's just a one-off? Think again. Picture this. Your fridge groans like it's auditioning for a horror movie, or your dishwasher sounding like it's gargling marbles. These poor guys are begging for a little TLC. Your neglected appliances have had enough. They're staging a rebellion. All they ask for is a bit of preventative maintenance. Clean those filters, tighten those hoses, and maybe, just maybe, they'll stop plotting against you. So next time you hear a mysterious noise, don't call Ghostbusters. Just give your appliances some love. Because a happy appliance is a quiet appliance. And who doesn't want that? Thanks for watching. Now go check on your appliances. They have been waiting.